STAAR Online Testing Tools.
Hi everyone. In this video, we're taking a quick look at the Context Tool drop-down menu in the online STAAR test. These tools can help students stay organized, focused, and confident on test day. Let's get started. First in the drop-down menu is Tutorial. This plays a short video showing how to answer the type of question you're on, helping students understand exactly what to do and feel more confident as they work through the test. Next up is Mark for Review. Use this to bookmark a question you want to revisit. Just click once to mark it and click again to clear it. Then we have Sticky Notes. They're a great way to jot down thoughts or ideas for a specific question as you go. You'll know a question already has a note when you see the sticky note icon next to its number. To add one, just open the context menu and click Sticky Notes. Once you've typed your note, a little pencil icon will appear next to the question number on the test page. And remember, your notes only show up on that question's page. Strikethrough helps you quickly cross out choices you know aren't correct. For multiple choice or multi-select questions, either open the context menu and select Strikethrough, or right-click an answer and choose it. Press Escape or click Outside to exit. The last tool in the drop-down is Highlight Selection. Students can select text they want to highlight, then click Highlight Selection from the context menu. From here, they can choose the color they want. To remove a highlight, click Reset Highlighting. Just a heads up, you can't highlight text that's part of an image. Still, for everything else, highlighting is a simple way to call out important details so they're easy to spot later. And here's a quick tip. You can always right-click anywhere on the screen to access all of these tools without opening the drop-down menu. And that's the Context Tool drop-down. Simple features that can make a big difference on test day. Encourage your students to use them while practicing so the tools feel familiar when it matters most.